In this video, I want to go through exactly how you can stand out as a business on social media. And if you don't know who I am, my name's James, and over my 4-year content creation journey, I've been able to get millions of views, been able to get my clients millions of views, got 2 of my clients to 100k followers each. Actually, I was getting 10 million views a month for myself on my TikTok page, and I've got loads of clients through it, and also help my clients get more clients for their business as well. So that's why you should actually listen to me, and let's just get into this video because I don't want to waste your time at all. Most businesses think their credentials are enough to get them more clients, but the truth is your brand is what really sets you apart in today's day and age. So again, in this video, I want to walk you through exactly how you can stand out within your industry and get clients through your social media, because we know for a fact that getting views isn't enough. You want to get clients as well as views. And I'm also going to teach you how to become a go-to trusted authority within your industry, so you never have to rely on word of mouth. For lawyers, you never have to put up billboards again to attract clients, or even rely on apps that don't get you clients, or rely on cold messages if you're an online business, or ads in general. Okay, so I promise you at the end of this video you will be able to get clients through your social media and actually stand out. So number one is stop just posting plain images and plain content. Social media has changed a lot since it's first started, and images and just plain content in general are not going to allow you to stand out and actually get clients. We are in something called a trust recession, and this means that people don't trust as much anymore, especially online, because of all the scams that are going on and everything like that. People just don't trust as much anymore, and you can't really build up that trust through images and just plain content in general. You have to really build a connection with your ideal client and build up trust with them. Posting video content does exactly that, and this is because they actually get to see who is behind the brand. They get to know you a bit more, and what you really need to realize is people buy from people and people invest into people. So instead of just posting plain old content, plain old images, you need to start video content. You need to get on camera, you need to build up trust with your prospect, give value, show social proof, and everything like that. Number 2 is take your content quality seriously, and this kind of links with the point I just made, but some people's content is terrible. Okay, they don't have any good lighting, they don't have a good mic, they don't have any good editing styles or anything like that. And you've probably heard a lot on social media, especially nowadays, oh, content quality doesn't matter, just post. Well, that's actually not the case, and the people who are telling you that are just trying to sell you something. Content quality matters a lot, especially if you want to stand out and become a go-to authority, because the quality of your videos represents your personal brand, which represents your business. Okay, so if you want to be seen as a high quality business, you need high quality content. So the worst advice I've ever really heard is don't take your content quality seriously. Content quality is very serious, especially if you want to stand out and become a really go-to authority within your space. So this includes editing, this includes lighting, this includes the sound quality of your videos. Just make sure you're trying to improve every video you create. I'll definitely suggest either hiring a team of people to create content for you, or hiring an editor, because editing, especially if you want to stand out, you need a high quality editing style. And if you just keep spamming content, it's gonna lead to your content to be, well, terrible. So take your time when creating content, otherwise it's just going to end up bad. I used to be one of those guys that actually used to try and post every single day, but for now, especially if you care about your brand, take your time on your content. You don't have to post every day. Post 3 times a week and then up it as time goes along. If you have a team in place already, you could post every day because they'll be doing the content. But if you're just on your own at the moment, you probably won't be able to do that, will you? And as I said, focus on the lighting of the video, focus on the sound quality, focus on the editing style, and focus on the script structure of your videos. And last but not least is really just number 3. Do not just post organic content. If you want to be like every other law firm or every other online business or every other business in general, just keep on posting organic content. You see, organic content is like that series you watch on Netflix. It's a good series, but you just go back and forth to it. You're like, oh, should we watch this tonight or should we not? It's amazing when you watch it, but you're sometimes like, oh, I don't want to watch it. Oh, I want to watch it tonight. Okay, it's inconsistent. The reason why this is because you're relying on an algorithm. When you post organic content, you can't control it. You don't know who it's going to go to. You don't know where it's going to go. And you don't know how many views it's going to get, you don't know what people it's going to go to. And if you're trying to get leads and clients through your content, you really need to understand that you need to go to the ideal people, okay? Because not just any random person is going to buy from you. If you really want to build up trust and be in front of your prospect's face 24/7, you need to run ads. And why I say be in front of your prospect's face 24/7 is because, as I said, we're in something called a trust recession. And when you're not in front of your prospect's face 24/7, they're seeing other people for longer than you. And there's something called a 7-hour rule, and the 7-hour rule states that it takes 7 hours for a prospect to consider even investing into you. Okay, so they need to watch 7 hours of your content, and if you're in front of their face 24/7 every single day, multiple times a day, that 7 hours is going to build up quickly. But if you're not, it won't. Okay, and with organic content, you can't guarantee that it's going to go to that person each time, but with ads, you can retarget these people. You can be in front of their face 24/7 if you run ads right, and that's going to build up that trust real quick. Ads play a key role in getting qualified leads for your business, and most importantly, getting qualified leads onto your page who can then get nurtured by your organic content. So you should really see organic content as nurturing your prospects, and ads as getting ideal clients onto your page who can then get nurtured by that organic content. Proven ad strategy plus a proven organic strategy equals scaling season. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, I think you would definitely enjoy this video over here, where it goes through exactly how you as a law firm, lawyer, or online business can get 15 extra clients within 90 days through social media. So check that out if you want to, and I really appreciate you guys watching this. Subscribe, everything like that, and peace.